So part of being mindful, I know everybody always thinks, oh, it's meditating. I got to sit for a while. We're not all good at meditating, right? But there are a lot of meditative actions, right? And last week we had mentioned vision boards. So I thought, well, we're just going to bring that up because when you want something in life, and today was about getting what you want, right? When you want something in life, stop and think about it from this perspective. If you look around the room at everything that's around the room, it was all created by someone who had an idea. I mean, I'm sitting in an office building, in a high-rise office building that wasn't here at one point. Somebody had an idea. They had a visual image in their head, and then they drew it out on paper, and then they talked to other people, and then they bought supplies, and people came, and they built this building. It didn't used to be here. And so every dream that you have, everything that you want is in your head right now, and getting what you want is about getting it from dream state to reality, right? And part of how you can do that is name it and claim it, right? So make yourself a vision board with everything that you want and put it someplace where you can look at. By the way, it could be this small, it could be this big. You put it in your bathroom. Nobody else has to see it, right? But it's meditative. It's mindful because you're asking yourself, what would really make me happy? What do I really want? And you know what also happens when you do that is it starts you to think about, what can I do right now? What can I do to get there? Or what do I already have that I didn't realize? They did a show, and I don't know why it didn't take off, but the same guy who hosts The Amazing Race did this show where he would go and find people who had these dreams, things that they had never had come to fruition, and they would give them a piece of money and give them access to people who could teach them how to do it. And he said, you know, what he discovered through all of it was that it was very little money involved, that it was about making a phone call and saying to somebody, you know, can you show me how to do this to make people's dreams come happen? So name it, claim it, and make yourself a vision board. What do you want? Because getting what you want was what today's subject was. I hope you get what you want.